You got a park brake in it?
Nope.
Okay.
You can adjust the steering wheel if you want, but
actually it's pretty good right where it's at, so.
Yeah. All right.
Cool. I won't roll her.
Yeah, give her a little shot, see what it's at.
Wow! 2022 Pro Turbo Rockford Fosgate, right from factory. My God! Oh man, they are making these things ridiculous. You know, this, like I said it before, whenever I get the opportunity to run something like this, you know, it's a real pleasure because I can't afford it. It's so responsive. It's so responsive. I'm not going to go too far because this is not my machine. We're waiting at the back corner there, so I'm just going to turn around right now. But man, she's got some beans. She's got some beans. Reverse. Actually, visibility's not too bad in this thing. It's just so responsive. Like there's barely any turbo lag. Up to 100 like nothing. Man, it's so responsive. I'm just like, there's just no lag at all. It's just got beans right from the beginning. Boy! And a reverse camera too. Man, is that ever handy. Unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. There's a reason why it comes standard with harnesses in it. Wow. That's not a beginner's bike, man. That's got some beans. Wow.
Yeah. It's 181 horsepower.
181. That's got some beans, brother. And it's so responsive. It's so responsive.
And it's, you can change the suspension on the fly on the steering wheel.
Yeah, I know about that. I didn't mess with anything there, so. Yeah.
No, it's pretty. I find it's the best in the middle.
Yeah.
It's where I have it on the sport setting.
Yeah.
I switch it to the comfort setting when I'm you know, going over slow rocky stuff. Or
yeah,
the
yeah.
rest of the time I'm in the middle.
Yeah, it's so responsive, and it tracks super straight too. Like just up ahead there was just a little bit of a dip, and then it came up, so I actually got about that much air, unintentionally mind you, but
you got to run it in 4-wheel drive the whole time. You take that out, if you put that in 2-wheel drive,
oh yeah,
and you're just driving along, say like 50 clicks,
yeah,
and you give it a shot of gas, the back end just comes right out.
Man, It doesn't feel like it's in four-wheel drive.
No, well, with the Polaris, it's only two-wheel drive until the back wheels break free, and then the front end kicks in, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So it's like an all-wheel drive system,
yeah,
right? Or whatever, like, but it's just, it just comes on when the back wheels break loose.
Wow.
But if you don't have that on, the back wheels are able to break loose, like,
right.
so easy, and then it's just like every time you give it a shot of gas, the back end's sliding on you. So
everything feels super solid. I mean, it's a new machine, but it's just so solid to sit in and to run.